So, finally guys, my Alter Ego album by Lisa has finally arrived. So, ito siya. Ina-unbox ko na. So, excited. What's inside? Tagal kong na-open, no? Struggle is real. Daghan kaayog scotch tape.
Ayun.
But finally, yun. Maganda yung pagka-wrap, by the way. So, thank you to Alico.
Forever.
Ayun, o.
Oops.
Ayun.
Fuck up the world. Fuck up the
Yun.
world. Alter Ego. Yay.
Very nice.
Yay.
Let me open. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Ayan na.
Oh.
Yun, oh. So, yun, tinanggal ko. Transfer ko sa case mismo. Yung Alter Ego.
Alter Ego.
Ayan. Diba? Maganda tingnan. Ayun. So, tingnan natin anong meron sa loob.
Let me open. Oops. How to open.
Ayun.
Wow, look
Tan,
guys. Look guys.
The CD.
It's a CD.
It's a CD.
Oops.
Ayun. Okay.
What's inside?
Tsaka merong, ayun. Lisa's trademark.
And
A rock star. It's the star. Anya.